Hello everyone, I know it's been a while since I posted something. I figured I'd go ahead and do my unboxing crate because I just received the Doctor Who uh, Loot Crate, limited edition Loot Crate. Now, I've already opened it, so sorry. Spoilers. Anyway, yeah, so here's the big monster box. Okay, as you can see on the front of it, it's number 9091 of 10,000. I'm hoping this sound is coming through perfectly, but it is not, but as you can see, loot crates. Yeah, yeah. This limited edition crate, when you unfolded it and folded it inside out, became a lovely, lovely TARDIS. You know, I love my Doctor Who. I'm totally an Anglophile. Have been for a long time. Doctor Who was awesome, and all the other shows like that, Torchwood, and I can't even go into all of them. So anyway, back to the box. All right. So I have, like I said, I have opened it already. So I already kind of know what's in here. Actually, I know what is in here, but I figure I'd go ahead and do an unboxing, show you people the lovely things I got. Uh, um, I know coming up soon. They're supposed to be doing. They're doing. They've started a Star Wars limited edition crate. They've already had a Mass Effect, a Fallout crate, which they released twice. Right now, Loot Crate is now doing the Rogues and it's like Rogues and something Gallery, Part 2. All right. So now some of the stuff I'm gonna wait till last to show you, but let me put this down right here. All right. So first of all is the a Super Emo Friends shirt. Oh, weeping angel. He says, "Don't look at me." Oh, he's just so adorable. Remember, don't blink. All right. Next, out the box. This is some pretty cool stuff. Police box sprinkles. You get that. I think I'm definitely got to do some baking there. Maybe make a TARDIS themed cake, or something. Throw some sprinkles on there. Okay. Next out of the box. Speaking of TARDISes, we have a lovely, lovely vinyl TARDIS from Titans Vinyl Figures. Yeah, I was glad to have that materialize around you. Yeah. I haven't ever gotten one of these before from Titan Merchandise, but apparently they're like the leading people who they do a lot of BBC themed items, especially in the realms of like Doctor Who and stuff like that. Next, out of the box, something I've been wanting for a long, long time. A Doctor Who sonic screwdriver? Wait a minute. Where's the screwdriver? Hmm. I wonder where it could be. Hey, you hear that? Oh yeah, here it is. Yes, that's right. I already opened it. Yes, this is the Doctor Who 12th Doctor sonic screwdriver. Now, as you know, most of you should know, the 12th Doctor is Peter Capaldi. He's growing on me. He's pretty cool. Uh, I'm really enjoying him as the Doctor. He's not David Tennant or Christopher Eccleston, which are two of my favorites. Matt Smith kind of grew on me. He was pretty cool. But I'm really liking Peter Capaldi. I like the fact that they tied him in that the Doctor chose his face for a reason. So I thought that was pretty cool because, as you remember, Peter Capaldi was Cassius, but he was in the the Vesuvius episode where him and the 10th Doctor and Donna went to Pompeii, and she wanted him to save someone, anyone. Alright. Really showed them that even though there's fixed events, that sometimes you can break the rules if you need to. Alright, the next item, which is something that's going to drive my fiance freaking nuts, because mainly because there's certain creatures that she doesn't like the sound of. I know. I love her still. She's the mother of my Sumi child, but her dislike is of this character. Exterminate! Exterminate! Yes, this is a Doctor Who in your pocket. Now, what would have been pretty cool to me would have been if they would have had like some phrases that some of the Doctor Who uh, actually said, like maybe like had David Tennant's character saying Geronimo or something like that. Yeah. Have him say LOZ and have maybe Matt Smith's character saying Geronimo. Just something like that. I mean, it's got the Dalek one. Exterminate! Yelling out exterminate. You will be deleted. Yeah, you got delete. Yeah, Cyberman deletes. And then, let's see. This is. You are an enemy of the Daleks. You must be destroyed. Yeah. So they got 2 Daleks. K9. Yep. Love that one. That bug might get worn out. And then last one least. You must be upgraded. Upgrading is compulsory. Yeah. So it's a little disappointing because there's 2 Dalek phrases and 2 Cyberman phrases. And they're key monsters, I understand, but this product could have been so much better if they would have added a little bit more. Maybe have the doctor say, run! Or just something else. But yeah, here's that. Doctor Who in your pocket. I've seen these around a few places. Hot Topic had them for a while. I don't know if they still do. And then there's the little step inside booklet. This is for the limited edition crate. I guess this was the special thing they did so that you knew what was in the crates. So it's got all that cool stuff that it talks about. Now, let's see. Now, I guess I didn't get in my request fast enough for one. I thought I got it in pretty quick because when I saw it, I was on that shit. Oh, sorry, language. But I guess if you were one of the 25 lucky looters to randomly receive, you also got Bad Robot metal sculptures of a Dalek. Yeah, I'm jealous of those people. Alright, and then last but definitely not least, it's New Adventures with the 12th Doctor. This is a lovely comic. This is doesn't say which number it is, so I guess it's a Luke Curry exclusive Doctor Who comic. Sorry, the 12th Doctor, Peter Capaldi, and Jen Louise Coleman as our growing to be one of our coolest companions, Clara Oswald. Now, I've yet to get a crate that I've actually opened up the comic books on. I'm kind of thinking maybe I should because even though they're considered limited edition comics, you gotta think how many people got a loot crate? There's probably a lot of people. So, I mean, if even 100 people, the price is reduced. All right, things are only limited if they're truly limited. As you can see, they made 10,000 of these crates, which means each one of these crates has one of these. So the value of it is a collector's item, yes, but is that a collector's item that's going to go value? Probably not. So I'm rearranging things so I can get a good look of everything at a glance. Not gonna give you too much of a glance at my desk because it looks pretty horrible. And since I lack the ability of movie magic, so whoa, all right. So there's the swag. It's pretty cool. And on the back of this, I forgot to mention, has little silhouettes of all the doctors, from the first doctor to the war doctor. Pretty cool stuff. Sorry about the messy desk and my changing computer. I don't mind that stuff. Alright, so that's pretty cool, huh? Alright. Don't worry. Oh, it was just a little tiny wimey stuff right there. Alright. Don't fall. Okay. But anyway, that was my Dr. Crate. Hope you enjoyed seeing the unboxing. Speaking of box, it's a pretty cool replica. Alright, so that's me. I'm Demetrius. This is my crate. Hope you enjoyed it. And for all you Whovies out there, and have a good night. I'll see.